Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for dropping in. If this is our first meeting, I'm Chef Petey, and if you are a regular viewer or a subscriber, thank you for your support. Now, I've been missing in action for the past couple of months. The big reason is, as most of you know, I own and operate a martial arts studio. Well, in late March, I found out that I was going to lose lease on it, so I had to find something, scramble, and get a new location going. And for the past couple months, I've been working like crazy trying to get the build out and get everything moved in. And so the studio is finally in, and I'm teaching regular classes now. So I can't guarantee when the next video is going to be, but for today, I want to show you my favorite lemongrass chicken recipe. So this is a grilled lemongrass chicken, and it's absolutely delicious. So stay tuned. Here we go. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients. I have 2 pounds of chicken thigh meat right here. I cut it into small chunks. You can also use chicken breast, but they tend to dry out, so I like the chicken dark meat. I have 1 stalk of the fresh lemongrass, and we're going to chop these up finely. And you can also use frozen, 1 tablespoon of frozen lemongrass if you don't have the fresh ones. I like to keep this in the freezer just in case I need it. Okay, but you can get this at the Asian grocery store. It comes in a little tub like this. We're going to need 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, half a tablespoon brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and that'll give the chicken a little of a yellowish color to it. You're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and for me, I like to put a couple of Thai chili peppers in there to make it pop. So it's gonna have a little bit of a spiciness to it, but it's obviously it's optional, and you don't need to put it in. And for the glaze, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce and 3 tablespoons of honey. Now you also need wooden skewers. You need to soak these for a good couple hours so it wouldn't burn on the grill. But for me, if you could get it, the metal skewers are much better. They don't burn. Okay? Alright, let's go ahead and make the marinade for the chicken. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to bruise the lemongrass. Just take the handle of your cleaver or take a hammer. That up, and then you're going to take the top layer off, because that's usually pretty dried out. And you're just going to chop it up nice and fine. The last little bit you don't need. Oh, you can really smell that lemongrass. Very fragrant. Okay. Just gonna dump it in to the chicken. You're basically gonna put everything in. Garlic, you got the sugar, fish sauce, brown sugar, paprika, turmeric, Fresh ground pepper, salt, and Thai chili peppers. And wash my hands. Just gonna mix. And normally I like to marinate this and let it sit for 24 hours in the fridge before I use, but today I'm just gonna, you can do it for like 30 minutes before we grill. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, it's been marinating for about half hour, so let's skewer these. It's basically you're just gonna shove this through chicken. We'll put a few pieces on here. Just make sure it stays on, wouldn't fall off during the grilling. You get about maybe 3 or 4 pieces right there. Not much to it. I got the grill going, so it's been heating up for about 10 minutes now. We have a gas grill, and you have a charcoal grill, that's even better. Okay, so I have 10 skewers right here, all ready to go. Let's go grill it up. Okay, I got the grill heated up to about 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's pop these on. And we're going to grill for about 5 or 6 minutes aside. We'll take a look. And while we're grilling, let's go visit Minnie, my little baby, my little fur baby. Yeah, hi. Hi, baby. Yeah, hi, sweetie. Hi, baby. Yeah. How you doing? Yeah. Minnie. Yeah. Say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody. Hi, Min Min. Hi, Min Min. Okay, it's about 6 minutes, so let's take a look. Oh, I can smell that lemongrass. And this could be a, appetizer or a snack, or just for dinner. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go for another 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. Good luck. I want internal temperature to be a 165 or higher. And that's pretty close. Okay. Then you just basically mix the hoisin sauce and the honey. And you're gonna put a little glaze on it. Just brush it on. Let it grill for another 30 seconds or so. It'll add a little depth of complexity to this chicken. Get a little caramelization in here. And we are done. Whoa, look at that. Okay, let's go sample it. Okay, here it is. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Oh, so good. The chicken is nice and tender, and it's packed with flavor. Oh my god, this is good. Mmm. And it's great to serve with rice and maybe some vegetables. Some stir-fried vegetables, some grilled vegetables go along with it. So I hope you get a chance to try it. And if you have not subscribed, please do so now. Until next time, whenever that'll be, I will see ya. Happy walking. Oh. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.